Metal battery also swollen?
Huh?
Received an iPhone 16 Pro from a customer. Let's check its battery. Surprisingly, this metal battery is also swollen. I thought metal batteries were less prone to swelling. What happened to this device? Let's check under Settings General About. The display shows it was replaced with an official original screen, meaning the phone was severely dropped before. The battery health is still at 100%, with only 89 charge cycles. There's another serious issue. The screen and frame have a visible gap, and the screen is clearly bulging. Regular viewers know swollen batteries push screens upward. What's inside this metal battery? Why is it bulging on this side? Let's investigate. Disconnecting the battery and removing the back cover. We observe the frame for deformation. The frame is bent, proof of a major past impact. Placing it on a table, it wobbles noticeably. Why does the 16 Pro use a metal battery while the 16 Pro Max doesn't? The 16 Pro's smaller body requires compact internal space and better heat dissipation. Metal shells conduct heat faster, preventing overheating. The 16 Pro Max's heavier weight would worsen with a metal battery, affecting ergonomics. Metal batteries also reduce risks of swelling, leakage, or fires. Their superior thermal conductivity benefits gaming or recording performance, and higher energy density improves battery life. If metal batteries are so good, why did this one swell? While less prone, they're not immune. Compared to standard batteries, they're still superior. Future iPhone 17 models may adopt them widely. This customer didn't choose an official diagnostic compatible battery. Stay tuned, alternatives exist that avoid pop-ups and show battery health. The frame is warped, with the middle section protruding. Severe scratches confirm a prior impact point. After heating the screen, we pry it open with a plastic tool. Unscrew components, and remove the display. The screen's back is dirty and scratched. Cleaning reveals the twisted frame. The customer opted for a frame replacement. Next, we'll separate the metal battery's flex cable and cell to compare it with standard batteries. We transfer the customer's vibration motor. Some are encrypted and reinstall the rear cameras. LiDAR, Face ID, and earpiece modules. After cleaning the motherboard, we reinstall it. Alternative to official batteries, we use original used battery for this customer. We'll show how to avoid pop-ups and retain battery health before reassembling. Let's examine the old battery. Unusual soldering, one soft flex and one direct weld. And a pressure relief valve to vent combustion stand out. The design differs from traditional batteries. Guess which iPhone 17 model will use metal batteries? After applying battery sticker, we install the battery. Roll it for adhesion. Clean the frame, and apply new LCD frame sticker for the screen. Secure the display flex cable and sensor flex. We reattach the screen after cleaning. After removing old adhesive, We apply new waterproof sticker for the back cover. There is only one wireless charging mic flex on back cover. Peeling the sealant protector. We close the phone and use a pressure sealing tool. Then we reinstall bottom screws and power it on. Under Settings, we see Complete Battery Repair and Complete Chassis Repair. This is part of iOS 18's self-diagnostic feature. After rebooting, the phone enters self-diagnosis mode, connecting to Wi-Fi and agreeing to configuration. It restarts when finished configuring. No battery or chassis warnings remain in setting. Finally, we test to all functionality. Let's check this restored device. All phone parts sell on www.teevo.com.